En la mayoría de lugares a los que estamos acostumbrados a ir de vacaciones, basta con abrir el Google Maps para ver todos los sitios importantes que debemos visitar. Pero hay algunos lugares que no aparecen en los mapas y que sin embargo están esperando a que vayas a verlos. Esos suelen ser los mejores. Al noroeste de Letonia, muy cerca del mar y escondida entre bosques, hemos encontrado una batería de costa que muy poca gente conoce. Vamos a explorar un conjunto de búnkers donde los artilleros soviéticos se preparaban para defender la costa del Báltico en caso de ataque, y que quedó completamente abandonado tras su retirada en 1991. Si lo buscas en los mapas no vas a encontrar ningún tipo de señalización, pero si miras atentamente la foto satélite serás capaz de verlo. El camino hasta allí es de tierra y está embarrado, y atraviesa bosques muy densos que no nos ponen del todo fácil llegar hasta allí. Los árboles en Letonia crecen rápido, muy rápido. Hay muchos y cuando hay temporales se caen. Si sumamos eso a que casi el 70% de las vías de Letonia están sin asfaltar, tenemos una combinación curiosa normalmente para llegar a estos sitios, especialmente cuando son sitios que la gente no suele visitar. Llegamos lo más lejos posible con el coche, pero hay un punto en el que toca bajarse y caminar.
Let's try. It's the fence.
Lo primero que encontramos son casas abandonadas dentro de lo que era el perímetro, y que creemos que eran utilizadas por los militares de la base, pero queremos empezar por los búnkers antes de meternos en las casas, así que vamos a buscarlos y a ver si podemos entrar en alguno de ellos.
The car. The houses.
So yeah.
This is the big building.
Yeah, and we have to just walk.
Oh, there.
Yeah. And then there are more. There's quite a lot of them.
Yeah.
Actually. So. Oh, here's one bunker.
It's open. Yeah, it's
Yeah, it's
open. This was like stuck in the ground. There was something here around.
Because you see, all of the woods are stacked in
Yeah, but
the ground. Hey, just for storage.
Ooh.
Also, oh, it's flooded.
Yep, full of water.
Danger. Building is dangerous. A building and being close to it is prohibited. So.
Los primeros que encontramos están vacíos o son inaccesibles, y empezamos a pensar que tal vez esta expedición vaya a ser un fracaso. Pero justo entonces encontramos el primer emplazamiento de uno de los obuses de costa.
It's big.
Holy moly.
It's really big. Also for the cable.
For the cabling. Whoa.
You have to admit that this looks cool.
I need to take a photo of this.
You would go ahead. It's amazing.
Los árboles han crecido y tapan el mar, pero no puede estar a más de 100 o 200 metros y desde aquí podemos oírlo. El cañón que iba en esta posición debía de ser enorme, con entradas por debajo hacia su interior y otra entrada por fuera por donde hemos subido nosotros.
Photograph?
And the other one is only going out.
Yeah. Maybe that
Oh,
one
the
is
one that
the
we
one that.
photographed,
Yeah.
and the other one, the one that has the door.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I think maybe that is how it is. That's something.
So we'll see now. They're the same or not.
And see, there are lots of them. I think they're all across the coast.
So there are not two, there are a lot.
Comprobamos el mapa para ver hacia dónde debemos ir, y cuanto más lo miramos, más indicios vemos de lugares donde puede haber algo.
A door frame.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're the same.
Someone-
So I guess that's where the ammunition
Yeah.
came in and out.
Yeah. That makes sense.
So the quarter should be the same. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh
Mosquitoes. Shit.
God. Don't scare me like that.
There are a freaking lot.
Los restos que quedan parecen indicar que esto era una zona para que los soldados durmieran, con habitación y baño, y hay una igual en cada uno de los búnkers.
So I would would like to see one intact.
That's a bit difficult.
Yeah, but then I would understand a bit more what it is.
Hmm.
This looks like a bathroom. I can see a toilet.
What's a bathroom?
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, it looks like it was holding here.
For the
See?
animal.
Yeah.
Definitely.
It's a bit flooded.
Number 3. But then I wonder if the other one was
the
for the
tunnel?
ammo.
I think for the personnel.
To get it
Lowered it down
in
and
there,
took
and
it.
then maybe go down or go in. It could be. Cool. Cool.
Yeah. This one is just a bit more open?
Let's have a look.
Yeah.
Whoa. Maybe not.
Wow. Yeah,
huge.
This one is much bigger than the previous one. That path is a bit flooded. This one looks like it's not. That's huge. It is meant to get up here.
Yeah. Which?
The pitch is, it's like, yeah, if we get down there, we won't be able to get there.
No.
So. Yep.
Los bosques de Letonia están plagados de garrapatas y también de estos parásitos que son parecidos pero con alas y que no paran de atacarnos para intentar robarnos la sangre.
A little tricked out. And also, just cut off. You can see.
So definitely there was ammunition inside here.
Yeah, quite a big door. Yeah, but it's not tricked off.
It's huge.
Like the other ones.
I think less people is coming into this one.
Yeah. This one is even a bit more strict than the other one. Those are also not cut off, like in the previous ones.
Yeah.
So
The gauges are almost intact.
Yeah. This one has a bit more stuff in it. But this room also should be used for condition or something.
This is also reinforced. So yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you can see here where the projectiles were.
Oh, the water
Yeah.
here.
There was an ammo
you
here.
can see.
You can clearly see.
Cool. How cool. It looks like a dressing shoe.
Right, I couldn't live here without seeing a shoe. There has to be shoes.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah. And I got another one in my hand. So right.
Yeah, I hate them. You cannot go mushroom picking with them around. It's annoying, real fast.
A frog?
What?
A little frog.
Oh, frog.
He doesn't care about anything.
Oh, there's
so
a mouse. See, he's running. There's a mouse. And the frog also. There's a door here.
Maybe this one is.
Oh,
Put.
what's wrong?
You touched the door and like 55 mosquitoes came out.
It's good, don't worry. You want a bit of better shape, but I still don't know what it is. No, people.
Okay.
Comprobamos todos los búnkers que podemos ver en el mapa y decidimos dar la vuelta para ir a comprobar los edificios donde vivía el personal. De camino a las casas reparamos en que hay una alambrada que delimitaba y protegía el camino, atada de árbol a árbol y que todavía sigue resistiendo, aunque la naturaleza se esté abriendo paso y la vaya absorbiendo poco a poco. Al menos sabemos que muchos de estos árboles ya estaban aquí cuando esto se utilizaba.
That's the original.
Yeah.
I think they may be just rooms.
Maybe. I think those are for the wire?
For the wiring, the piping maybe.
What is this?
Oof.
They're trying to
Draw something.
Yep.
I don't get why the floor is like in two levels and it's all
Yeah.
broken.
Yeah.
Maybe someone tried to install the piping. No, it's for food.
The storage looks more like storage.
Man, maybe, but
Maybe it's for something. Yeah, see? I think they're storing
It's a-
vegetables or something.
yeah, maybe. That's it.
Interesting. On the food check. No? Okay.
They hang things there.
But it also could be a kitchen because see that window?
Oh, maybe this is the kitchen. That's the dining room. So to get the food out.
Yeah.
Intuimos que la mayoría de estos edificios serían utilizados más como almacenes y tal vez como comedores o lugares de ocio antes que como casas. Por la forma del edificio grande de ladrillo, probablemente los soldados vivieran en él divididos en dos plantas que ya no existen. Todavía se distinguen algunas de las divisiones de la planta baja, pero la mayor parte del edificio ya no existe, y un bosque ha ocupado el lugar de los humanos entre estos muros.
Yeah, super small.
Yeah, really small. Maybe these are bad?
Would make sense. Like 2 stories.
Yeah.
And the upper floor also.
Yeah. They're like
But the upper floor is completely gone. There's nothing. Like not a single
nothing.
piece of wood. Actually, this is a forest now.
Yeah. It is.
It's an indoor forest.
If you come here, you should be okay. We will stay here. Yeah, because see, there are fires, and there were quite a few of them. Also.
Maybe that's a floor for the officers and the upper floor for the rest. Or maybe one side for
sorry.
one and the other for the others. Good. So yeah, this is closed, so they may be working on those out there. But they're in ruins also. You can walk in.
El resto de las casas están ahora en terreno privado, ya que el gobierno de Letonia lleva unos 30 años siguiendo una política de privatización de todos los terrenos que pertenecían al ejército soviético. Una forma como otra cualquiera de ganar dinero e intentar repoblar lugares abandonados. Y como no queremos meternos en líos con el nuevo dueño, decidimos parar aquí y volver a casa a preparar la siguiente aventura.
Now we could, yeah, like find where we want to eat.
A place to eat? I think it's a good time.
Yeah.
Where the fuck did you put your car in? That it's full of
My dad went fishing.
dirt. Man.
De todos los sitios que visito, los que más me llaman siempre la atención son los menos visitados. Suelen ser menos espectaculares y estar mucho menos cuidados, pero conservan mucho mejor su esencia. Encontrar un sitio así, completamente abierto y con las marcas y vestigios de sus antiguos habitantes, para mí tiene mucho más valor que ir a ver cualquier monumento de cualquier ciudad convertido en atracción de feria, por bonito que sea.